Hi everybody, welcome back to another food review vlogging channel. My name is Manzione. Thank you so much for joining me today, folks. Well, folks, I want to welcome you back to another edition of Subway Sundays. And if you don't know what Subway Sundays is, every Sunday or thereabouts every Sunday, I do something from the menu from Subway. So I've done last week I did the quadruple bacon sub. It was a custom sub in partnership with the Subway World Headquarters on Twitter. So that was a direct partnership, and I will have information on a future Subway Sundays or two future Subway Sundays at the end of this video. So stay tuned to the end of this video so you can find out how you can be more interactive with Subway Sundays and find out that you have a chance to build yourself a customized Subway sandwich for me to eat. So we're going to take care of later on at the end of the video. But first, I went back to Subway, yeah, because it's Subway Sundays. Ew. And actually, we're working inside Epcot. There is a Subway inside Epcot. I bet you guys didn't know that, but there is a Subway inside Epcot. So this is a viewer request, highly requested by many subscribers of mine. They told me to do this sub, and I will highly oblige. Let's open her up. Ooh, they wrapped it very good. So, ladies and gentlemen, this sandwich is a Subway classic. It's a Subway signature sandwich. It's a favorite. This is the chicken bacon ranch melt, and you can see I got this on Italian urban cheese with a little bit of spinach. Let me move this out of the way real fast. Here we go. I got this with Italian urban cheese, spinach, and Subway vinaigrette, and honey mustard. So this looks incredible. I don't know if it's that I'm hungry or not, but this looks phenomenal. So let's just bite right into this. Let's see how the chicken bacon ranch tastes. Let's go. Wow, that's delicious. What a flavor to that. Wow. Get my napkins. There we go. So let's take another bite. Mm. All right, the chicken on here is awesome. Whoops. Ooh. Mm. Here's the chicken. It's cooked awesome. It's perfect. Mm. Wow. I gotta say, I wasn't a fan of Subway chicken back in the day, but now they improved it. It's better. I mean, the rotisserie chicken's good, but it's not like it's not the way it used to be. Is they used to have the sliced chicken and it used to be horrible, but now they improved the menu and it's very good. Mm. is actually very good. I wish the bacon was a little bit crispier, but what can you do? Beggars can't be choosers, right? Mm. Look at that right there. Mm. So the combination of the honey mustard and the ranch creates an awesome flavor. It's actually a surprising flavor. You get the honey mustard, the ranch, and the Subway vinaigrette all together with the provolone cheese. It creates an incredible base. My only gripe about the sandwich is I wish the bacon was cooked more. I wish it was cooked all the way through and through. But what can you do? If you if you take a look at that, hold on, let me is this my camera? There you go. If you take a look at the sandwich through and through, I don't know if you can see that very well, but you can see the bacon's not very cooked, and it makes it's a slight downfall because the sandwich is it good? Is it great? If the bacon was cooked more, it'd be great. But what really makes the sandwich is the sauce or the base of the sauce, the honey mustard, the vinaigrette, provolone cheese, and the ranch makes an incredible taste for an incredible sauce. Mm. Okay, so let's rate this on the scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being awful and 10 being awesome. I'm gonna give the chicken bacon ranch melt from Subway a 8.5 out of 10. It's a great sandwich, and I just got the sandwich as is. But I added honey mustard and a vinaigrette. But it was gonna be a 7, but it got bumped to an 8.5 because of the sauce base. Why the Dutch points is because the bacon's not cooked all the way through, and I wish it was, because if the bacon was cooked all the way through, well, this would be a 10 out of 10. But it loses points because of that. But it's still good. It's not bad. Is it the best Subway sandwich I've had? No, I believe that was either the pizza sub that I had, or the autumn holiday turkey sub that I had a couple weeks ago on Subway Sundays. But definitely give the chicken bacon ranch melt a try and see what you think. And leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think. That'd be awesome. Well, folks, that will wrap it up for another edition of Subway Sundays. I want to thank you for joining me. Please like, please share, please subscribe to all my videos. And until next time, ladies and gentlemen, from the Food Lab, this is Nick Manzione signing off. I hope you guys have a great rest of the Sunday, and I'll see you next week for another edition of Subway Sundays. Take care. Bye.